Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you are looking for a drone that can capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank, you have come to the right place. In this video, we have picked the top 5 best budget drones in 2023 based on our research and analysis of their features, performance and customer reviews. You can find the links to each product in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with our list of the 5 best budget drones in 2023. Number 5. Ryze Tech Tello. Ryze Tech Tello is a mini drone quadcopter UAV that is designed for kids and beginners. It has a 5MP camera that can capture HD 720 video and has a flight time of up to 13 minutes. It also features education scratch programming that allows users to learn programming while having fun. The drone can be used for selfies as well. It has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. The drone is powered by DJI, which is known for its high-quality drones. The drone's camera can capture 5MP photos and HD 720 video, which is perfect for capturing aerial footage. The drone's flight time of up to 13 minutes is impressive, considering its size. The drone's education scratch programming feature allows users to learn programming while having fun, which is perfect for kids and beginners. The drone's 2 antennas make video transmission extra stable, which is essential when capturing aerial footage. The drone's high-capacity battery offers impressively long flight times, which means you can capture more footage without worrying about the battery life. In conclusion, Ryze Tech Tello is an excellent mini drone quadcopter UAV for kids and beginners who want to learn programming while having fun. Number 4. BETAFPV Cetus Pro. The Cetus Pro brushless quadcopter is palm-sized at 117x117x40mm and weighs only 48 grams. It has 3 flight modes, including altitude hold, emergency landing, and self-protection turtle mode with radio transmitter goggles for FPV beginners. The drone uses brushless motors to power the 4 propellers, which are more powerful than brushed motors. The kit also includes a Light Radio 2 SE transmitter and VRO2 FPV goggles, 2 1S LiPo batteries, a USB battery charger and cable. With 3 modes, you can start your FPV journey at a stable, basic level, and then progress. The Cetus Pro has an optical flow sensor that helps it maintain its position indoors without GPS. It also has an optical flow positioning system that allows it to fly stably in normal mode. The drone has a maximum flight time of 4 minutes per battery charge. In summary, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV kit is an ideal choice for beginners to advance currently. It's more powerful and maneuverable for all starters as well as FPV pros to practice indoor and outdoor. Number 3. Holystone HS720E. This drone is perfect for adults who want to capture stunning aerial footage. It comes with a 4K camera that can capture high-quality images and videos. The drone has an auto-return feature that ensures it returns to its starting point if it loses connection with the remote control or runs out of battery. The Follow Me feature allows the drone to follow you wherever you go, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and biking. The brushless motor ensures that the drone is quiet and efficient, while the Circle Fly feature allows you to capture stunning panoramic shots. The Waypoint Fly feature allows you to set a path for the drone to follow, while the Altitude Hold feature ensures that the drone stays at a consistent altitude. The Headless Mode feature makes it easy for beginners to fly the drone without worrying about orientation. The Holystone HS720E drone comes with 2 batteries that provide up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is more than enough time to capture stunning footage. Overall, this drone is perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. Number 2. DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE is a great drone for beginners who want to learn how to fly drones. It has a 3-axis gimbal that provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. It supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. One of the best things about the DJI Mini SE is its GPS system that provides precise hover. This means that you can easily take photos and videos without worrying about the drone drifting away. The drone has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes and improved Scale 5 wind resistance. It also has a return to home feature that automatically returns the drone to its takeoff point if it loses connection with the remote controller or reaches a critically low battery level. The DJI Mini SE is also very lightweight, weighing only 249 grams. This means that you don't need to register it with the FAA before flying it. In addition, the DJI Mini SE has a maximum transmission range of up to 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, and can fly at speeds of up to 29 miles per hour, 46 kilometers per hour, in sport mode. Overall, the DJI Mini SE is an excellent drone for beginners who want to learn how to fly drones and capture amazing aerial footage. Number 1. Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E GPS drone is a professional GPS drone with UHD 4K camera and anti-shake ice tech for adults. It is an easy GPS quadcopter for beginners with 46 minutes flight time, brushless motor, 5 GHz FPV transmission, auto return home, follow me. The drone comes with a generous selection of extras such as an additional battery and case. It produces surprisingly good video. The drone has a smart return home feature that allows it to return to its starting point automatically if it loses signal or if the battery is low. It also has a follow me mode that allows it to follow you wherever you go. The Holystone HS720E GPS drone is easy to use and comes with a controller and software that make for handy visual feedback. The drone has a maximum range of up to 1,600 feet and can fly up to 46 minutes on a single charge. In conclusion, the Holystone HS720E GPS drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a professional GPS drone with UHD 4K camera and anti-shake ice tech for adults beginner. It's easy to use and comes with a generous selection of extras such as an additional battery and case. That's it for our list of the 5 best budget drones in 2023. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.